Everyone was concerned about the performance and battery life of the Galaxy S23 FE when Samsung said that it was powered by an Exynos CPU that was 2 years old. There is a reason, however, for the Exynos 2200 chipset in the Galaxy S23 FE to function better than it did in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as evidenced by numerous evaluations. A recent deconstruction video demonstrates how and why the Galaxy S23 FE's Exynos 2200 performs better. To keep the Exynos 2200 under control, it appears that Samsung installed a fairly robust cooling mechanism in the Galaxy S23 FE. Samsung has given the Galaxy S23 FE a sizable vapor chamber cooling mechanism to keep the thermals under control, which is why it doesn't throttle as much as the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is revealed in a deconstruction video of the device. The chipset operates better than it did in the Galaxy S22 series since it doesn't reduce the clock speed.